Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to better organize your unique business data by building custom pipelines. Just a quick note before we begin, custom objects are an enterprise level feature, so you will need to make sure your account has the right subscription tier to access this tool. First, log into your HubSpot account and click on the settings gear icon in the top right corner of your main dashboard. Look at the left-hand sidebar menu, scroll down to the Objects section, and select Custom Objects. If you have already built multiple custom objects in your account, just use the drop-down menu near the top of the screen to select the specific one you want to build a pipeline for. Next, click on the Pipelines tab right in the middle of your screen, and then hit the Create Pipeline button. A new window will appear where you can type in a clear internal name for your pipeline. Right below that, you can start adding your individual stages. You can easily click and drag these stages to reorder them or click directly into the text boxes to rename them so they perfectly match your exact workflow. Once your stages are in the perfect order, just hit the Save button at the bottom and your team can instantly start moving custom records through their brand new pipeline. If this quick tutorial helped you get your data organized today, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more advanced HubSpot tips, and let me know in the comments what kind of custom object you are tracking in your CRM. Thanks for watching.